Hello everyone. Today I'll talk about the population problems in developing countries. So first we have the characteristics of developing countries. So first characteristic is low incomes per head. Second, low level of saving due to low income. Third, low life expectancy and high infant mortality rate. Fourth, high rates of population growth. Fifth, low levels of education and health care. Sixth, low level of capital goods and poor infrastructure. Seventh, poor housing and sanitation facilities. Eighth, relatively high number of workers employed in the primary sector. And ninth, concentration on a narrow range of exports, most of which are primary products. So in a developing countries, there is low level of saving because of low income. So there is low life expectancy because of underdeveloped health facilities. Then they have high rates of population growth because of uncontrolled population growth, because the people there are not aware how to control the population growth and take decisions wisely. Then a low level of education and healthcare is there because there is no proper infrastructure for education and healthcare. Then low level of capital goods. Then poor housing and sanitation is just because there is less income, so the level or the standard of living of people is very low. Then high number of workers are employed in primary sectors because primary sector is the agriculture sector, so there is lack of job opportunities or lack of work for the workers. So the people or the number of people doing a particular job increases, which is not needed. Say for example, 6 people are needed to work on a plot of land, but 10 people are employed for the same job because there is lack of work for others to do, so that there is a compromise going on, and high numbers of workers are employed there for just a small job. Next, there is a concentration of narrow range of exports of primary products so that some revenue can be generated rather than using that products for the nation's growth. So the population problems of developing countries are: first, low level of technological development. So the developing countries has low level of technological development, so the people are not aware of the things going on in the world, so they are not aware of the population control things or the strategies. So low productivity means slow growth, which is root cause of rapid population growth in these countries. So technological development is directly linked to low productivity levels in countries like India, Pakistan, Myanmar, Malaysia, etc. So second, we have low population level. So abundant natural resources remain untapped for want of human resources. This means that there are many regions or many areas where natural resources are available in abundance, but since the area is underpopulated, the natural resources are not explored or not utilized to the fullest. The countries include Brazil, Colombia, Peru, Russian Siberia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, etc. Third problem we have lack of diversification of economy. So lack of development of secondary and tertiary sectors leaves limited employment opportunities for skilled workers who move to developed towns or foreign countries for employment. So as the secondary and tertiary sectors are not developed, secondary sector is the industries and the tertiary sector is the service sector. So if these two sectors are not developed, So the people who are skilled or the skilled workers will definitely move to another town or country in search of employment opportunity, as there is very less employment opportunity in their own countries. So this results in distorted demographic structure in both the countries because of migration and because of emigration. Both the countries suffer the distorted demographic structure. Fourth, we have undernourishment and lack of hygiene due to low standard of living and poor living condition. This is there. So incidence of disease is high, leading to high mortality rates, especially among children and pregnant women. So next we have few more population problems which we will discuss in the next video.